So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on any service, then click on P on your keyboard. And then you want to scroll down until you find performance, logs and alerts. You want to double click on it, and then change starter type to automatic, and then click on start. And then click on OK. Now for the next step, you want to head over to the link which I'll leave down below in the description, and then you want to download this. And you want to download the msvcr100.dll file. You want to scroll down, and you want to download the one for your architecture. So you want to head over to search and type in system information, click on it, and then next to system type, it will tell you what your architecture is. So I'm on 64-bit, so I'm going to download the 64-bit one. Now once you have this downloaded, we're going to open up the zip file, and then we're going to find the DL file. You want to right click on it, and then click on copy. Now we're going to head over to this PC, C drive, Windows, scroll down, System 32, and then you want to paste it into here. Right click, and then click on paste. Continue. Now you want to restart your computer, and then that's how you do it.